Hello Unanimous friends, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm Euanne Hyuna. Today video I will talk about leg shaving, whether you already shave or you are new to shaving. I hope you find these tips helpful. Let's get started, but don't forget to click the subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video. Let's be friends! Unanimous friends, here are my hairy legs. I haven't shaved for almost 6 months since the quarantine start, March 2020. And as you see, my legs look like a man now. Unanimous friends, the first step, exfoliate. Before you shave, we need to exfoliate your legs using a homemade recipe and simple DIY scrub. All you need is brown sugar and olive oil. The brown sugar helps exfoliate and remove the top layer of dead skin and any old salt that you have on your legs, and will help your razor get as close to the roots of your hair as possible. The olive oil is also moisturizing and will lubricate and hydrate your legs before shaving. The second step, use your hair conditioner. It works amazing, and I personally like to use a men's razor because it gives really close shave. There's so many blades on it. Unanimous friends, always remember, never use bar soap to shave your legs. You can use hair conditioner. Is actually an alternative to shaving cream. Conditioner will hydrate your legs, soften the hair, and provide a moist, smooth surface for you to shave over. To shave your legs, using short strokes instead of long ones. When you shave with super long stroke, you are going to miss a few hairs and will be more likely to get cuts. Short strokes give you a cleaner shave. Unanimous friends, when you're shaving, never keep your legs full straight, especially if you're trying to shave around your knees. Bend your knees, definitely prevent cuts. And after you use this razor, we need to sanitize using alcohol and the cotton. You can use dry towel. Then after you sanitize your razor, just keep the razor in the dry place so you can use for another session. Okay. Don't put the razor in your restroom or your toilet. It gets rust. Then, unanimous friends, moisturize your legs after you shave. This is super important. A good body lotion will help prevent your skin from drying out and leaving your legs feeling baby soft, and it will also hydrate your skin. I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know how was your experience with shaving. I love you, and don't forget to like and share. I really appreciate it. Bye! Until next video, unanimous friends!